Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Twitter. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end of all the steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.